With Dr. Jaydeep Mukherjee, the director of the Florida Space Grant Consortium, is here today to talk about a very interesting subject and an opportunity. It's called finance. So you guys might want to listen to this very, very carefully. Thank you, Jay.
Thanks, Tony. Thanks for inviting me for this program. I was at UF and at USF the last week. I was talking to students and I told them that there's this opportunity for experiments to fly to the space station. Their eyes lit up. I see some students out here. The Florida Space Grant, NASA Florida Space Grant is a NASA-sponsored program, but you have all the universities in the state, which is a part of the organization. It's led by in the space industry. And how do we do that? We do that by providing internships to students to go to NASA centers or go to industry, space industry over the summer. We provide fellowships for students to do graduate studies and subjects dealing with space. But the best thing that I think we do is we provide small support for students to work on collaborative hands-on projects that will fly into space. It could be on the weather balloon, it could be on a sounding rocket, or it could be to the space station. Students around Florida at different universities designing CubeSats. In fact, University of Florida has built one. They're going to launch one next year. I know Embry-Riddle, UCF, and FIT are close to building one. So we need to see some CubeSats being launched from Florida. There'll be one next year, but we need more. The other one is a lot of these students are working on projects that can fly into space. We had students from Embry-Riddle and UCF who worked on designing and building a sounding rocket. And there are lots of other experiments that students are building which fly on zero-G. But I think here's an opportunity for students to build something which is guaranteed to fly to the space station and conduct an experiment over there. So here's what, it's not actually an offer, but what I'm suggesting is that universities, people who are interested in this program, and if they're selected, I would like to support students working on these projects, because I think this is the best way for a student to get some experience working on a project that will fly to the space station. I don't think we'll get this opportunity. Space Florida has been so generous in providing this flight which is free of charge. That is the major cost. So I can't tell you exactly how much funds we can provide, but what you can do is you can call us if you're selected, talk to us, and we can provide a number of ways. We can provide students as intern, or provide some support for travel, or provide some support to actually build the payload. But I really urge you, please involve students in your projects. And think of Florida as one university. Don't think of over 14 different universities. You have access to students from 14 different universities in Florida. We can, if you have a project, we can send it around to different universities. You can choose the best students, and we pay for the students to come and work with you. I mean, that's the best way for students in Florida to fly to the space station. We are lagging behind to some other states in terms of student involvement, I think, especially with CubeSats. And NanoRacks has this, this is an amazing picture. It scared me because it's so close to the solar panels. But, but I know it's that close, but it'll be amazing to see Florida satellites or anything flying from the space station. We have a table outside. There is a brochure outside. You can have a look at it. Just contact us if you have a project that's being selected, and we'll see how we can support student support for that project. Thank you.